If you want your iPhone to automatically answer incoming calls, there's actually a hidden setting for that. And here's how to turn it on or off. First, open your settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then go to Touch. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Call Audio Routing. At the bottom, you'll see Auto Answer Calls. Tap on it. By default, this option is turned off. If you want your iPhone to automatically pick up calls, just turn this toggle on. Once you enable it, you'll see a timer setting right below. This controls how long your iPhone waits before answering the call automatically. For example, if it's set to 3 seconds, your phone will answer the call after 3 seconds if you don't do anything. You can increase this time depending on your preference, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or more. Now, if you ever want to turn this feature off, just come back to the same setting and disable the toggle. And that's it.